In the near future, you have the Seven of Wands. You putting up boundaries to these people na parang ayaw mo nang makasalamuha pa, or you're putting boundaries because no is a no and you already proven yourself para sa'yo. You have put this wands, I'm sorry, you're putting this wands as a protection, and this one parang pinapakita mo na parang I still have it, and you cannot parang kung ano man yung nasabi sa iyo o naging bunga tong competition na to o to pagkatalong ito, na parang you're saying I have what it takes and you have what it is para magawa mo yung gusto mo magawa, makuha mo yung goal na gusto mo makuha. So you're having this parang competitive stance, but at the same time you're very confident sa kakayahan mo, at you're very sure sa kung anong kaya mong gawin at sa kung anong kaya mong ipakita, which is a very very good card. You're evaluating your self-worth.